Welcome back to new website channel. In today's video I will show you how to do Audiomack streaming, how to get 1000 Audiomack streaming. As you can see on Fiverr, many people are selling Audiomack streaming, music streaming, like $20, $5, $15, $20. Now guys, I will show you how to get like 50k, 30k, 100k streaming on your Audiomack music. So guys, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, like, comment and share. So in this video you just need like 3 steps to get Audiomack 1000 streaming. So the first step is go to your Chrome browser, search for audiomack.com, then search. If you already have an account on Audiomack, just log into your profile, your account. So I've already logged into my account. So come to your profile. So you can see this is my profile. I have already have 3 points. Now if I want to copy one of my track link, so go to share, then copy the link. So the second step is go to Operamini app. Paste the link here, visit. So search. So guys, scroll down. So guys, switch to the desktop. Click on switch to desktop version. Switch to desktop version. Click on it. Yes. So guys, as you can see, I have like 1.03k streaming already. So guys, what we just need now is come to this 3 dots, click on these 3 dots, more, click on more, click on quality next. So then click on it again, click on it again, click on it again. So guys, more you click on more and quote next, the more you gain streaming. So assuming you click this like 500 times, so you will gain 500 streaming on your track. So that's how it works, guys. So after you click on more and quote next. You need to play the track. So play the track. So the track is already playing now. Click on next. Make sure the track playing like 1 second to 4 seconds. So guys, click on next again. Click on next again. So guys, you can see now I have 1.04k. So guys, click on next again. So that is how it works. By doing this, you can gain more than 2k 3k streaming in a day.